Hello. That's where all the action happens. Well, today, it's early. I don't think it's probably about 7 o'clock, give or take. But today is the day we go chasing waterfalls in Blue Ridge Parkway. Yeah. So welcome Blue Bike Noise Channel as we dive into it, as we talk about it, as we ride our motorcycles. Run an intro. Hey, how y'all doing? How you mom and them? We're gonna go chasing waterfalls. Alright, well, we headed over to Everett's Cafe and then we're gonna go chasing waterfalls. I don't know why people say don't go chasing them, but I like them. It, 59 degrees. I don't think that's right, but it's no. Alright, we fixing to roll out. Back the other way. So we're rolling out of Bryson City, Everett's Grill, and had a good breakfast. Then we're gonna go ride moonshine on 128. I mean 28. And then we're gonna go chase waterfalls. Whoa! I guess I'll stop. Yeah. Well, it was fun till we rode up on a camper. The guy in the utility trailer here, he was doing pretty good, but the camper with the motorcycle in the bed is not. Oh, he's gonna pull off. Whoa, but that is not a good place to dang, buddy. I enjoy going down the hill better than up the hill. Yeah, the turns are not as tight, but they still just like one right after another. Hey, a pony. Oh, it's a jackass. following the road. Oh, that was tight. Whoa, doggy, doggy, doggy. Doggy in the road. Well, it's hard to remember, but we need to, at 9/11, we need to take a moment of silence. Okay, back to riding. Alright. This is US 64 road from Franklin to Highland, North Carolina. Couple waterfalls on this road. Don't look down the side of the mountain. Ooh! Way down yonder. We made it to Dry Falls. Oh! I'm gonna park by the shitter.
Hopefully we don't get a parking ticket. I don't know if you can hear the waterfall or not. But this one's cool because you walk behind it. Get those knees working this morning.
It's working.
Yeah. Woo.
There it is. As you can see, the falls now. There ain't nothing dry about it. Too much staticky. Possible loose rocks above. As been just mentioned, the backside of water. Alrighty. We came, we saw, we seen. We got a cave. We're gonna go spelunking. Alright, we chased this waterfall and caught it, kinda. It's moist. It's very moist right here. Alright. Be leaving Dry Falls here. Next one's right up here called Bridal Falls. One time you could drive behind it. Whew. Yes, I am out of shape. It's got to be the elevation, the thin air or something. See, you can drive behind the waterfall. We at the Courthouse Valley. The elevation's 5,365 feet above the sea level. And don't trust the weeds because they drop off right there. If you want the views, you come to Blue Ridge Parkway. Look at the, well, you can't see nothing but the trees now. Up, Park Ranger. Popo. Yeah, the forest rangers, park rangers, they working the road pretty heavy then, I guess. I don't know. Gee whiz. The speed limit is 45 miles an hour on the Parkway. And lucky we was just pulled out and doing 45 because I was looking at the scenery. One minute you're on the road looking at the scenery, and the next minute you're in the scenery looking at the road. I'm gonna get a picture opportunity. Gotta get the photo op for the gram. Alright. 6,053 feet. I thought it was 63. Oh shit, I can't see shit. Oh, dark glasses and concert hall, John. Now that's a concert hall. Woo! I couldn't see nothing. Brothers, we're right up on the brothers. What's up, brother? Put my sunglasses down when I can see you. We childish. Big Witch Tunnel. Big Witch. Woo, concert hall. Yeah. gotta curve in the other way. Check lights. Alright folks, we made it back to Cherokee. Yep, we'll find a gas station and a party break. I don't know what else we're going to do today, but we're going to take it easy probably. So you can go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. We'll see you on the next adventure, which will be tomorrow. Whenever you see it, I don't know. It'll be tomorrow for us. Ooh, look, bears and stuff.